Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Science, where science meets you. If you're new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This is the Java series. Hi everyone. In today's video, let's discuss the Java basic concepts. The basic concepts of Java are Java variables, Java data types, Java operators, Java print statements, Java commands, and Java typecasting. We basically need to have an idea about all these in order to start writing programs and execute them. So, firstly, Java variables. What are they? They are containers for storing data values. There are different types of variables such as string, int, float, character, boolean. String stores text with double quotes as hello. As you can see, there's an example. Int, integer. These stores whole number integers. Float. These store decimals. Char. These stores single text character with single quotes. This is an example, like we can store only one single character here with single quote. Next, boolean stores either true or false values only. Now, how do we declare variables? We'll have to mention the type, that is the data type, variable name, and that's equal to value. Example, int age is equal to 5 with semicolon at the end. Next, what is this final variables? Final is a keyword. So, variables that should not overwrite its existing values are specified with the keyword final. Example, final int id equal to 3. So, the value of id will always be 3 and cannot be changed. How to declare multiple variables? We can declare it in one of the two ways. Int x equal to 1, comma y equal to 2, z equal to 3. So the variables x, y, z all are declared as well as initialized. Next, int abc. This the variables a, b, and c are declared here, and they can be initialized in a single line too, like a equal to b equal to c equal to 5 if the values of these variables are same. Identifiers. Now, identifiers, all Java variables must be identified with unique names. These unique names are called as identifiers. The rules for naming variables are: names can contain letters, digits, underscore, or dollar signs. Names must begin with a letter. It should not start with a number or any other character like digits, underscore, or dollar sign. It cannot be started with those. Next, names should start with lowercase letter and should not contain white space. Names cannot be reserved words or keywords. Names are case sensitive. So these are the rules for naming a variable. Okay, now let's look into data type in depth. Yeah, Java data types. Data types in Java. They can be primitive data type, non-primitive data type. Primitive data type, under this we have byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, character. Next, non-primitive data type. We have string, arrays, classes, and interfaces. Okay. Yeah. Next, primitive data types. Byte will have one byte. Stores whole numbers from the range 128 to 127. Example can be byte a equal to 100. Short. This is of 2 bytes size. Stores whole numbers from minus 32,768 to 32,768 range. Example, short b equals 50. Next, int. 4 bytes. Stores whole numbers within this range over here. So here the example can be int c equal to 3. I hope you can see. Yeah, int equal to 3. Next, long, 8 bytes. It stores whole numbers from this very long range to this range. So example can be something like long L equal to 1500000L. Okay. Next, it's float of 4 bytes. It stores fractional numbers. sufficient for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. Float f equal to 5.75f. We can append it with f. Double. It has 8 bytes of space allocated for it. Stores fraction and numbers. This is sufficient for storing 15 decimal digits. Double D is 19 is equal to 19.99D. Here we append it with D. Next, Boolean. 1 bit stores either the value as true or false. Example, Boolean V equal to true or false. We can mention as we want. Character is 2 bytes. Stores a single character or letter or ASCII values. Character CH equal to A or character CH1 equal to 65. 65 is the ASCII value for capital letter A. So you will have to know the ASCII values for different numbers, letters, digits, or special symbols. You'll have to know that. Next, Java operators. We have arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. In arithmetic operators, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, decrement. In assignment operators, we have equals, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, modulo assignment, and these are and or and so on. Next is comparison operators. As you can see here, we have equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Next, logical operators. We have logical and, logical or, logical not. Next is the bitwise operators. We have bitwise or, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise complement, bit shift operators such as signed right shift operator, unsigned right shift operator, signed left shift operator, unsigned left shift operator. Now let's move on to the Java print statements. In Java, we can either use one of the two statements for printing. In println, we can print text, add new line after it. Double quotes can be used, for text should be wrapped within the double quotes, else error occurs. Next is print. It is similar to println. The only difference is print does not insert the new line at the end of output. So we can write as system.out.println number is. So so whatever we need to get it as output, that should be wrapped within the double quotes. So number is would be printed and the control would go into the next line. A new line is inserted. Now when we write system.out.println, 3 would be printed and the control would be in the next line. You will get a hyphen over here in the next line. Okay, next moving on to Java comments. It can be added to explain the Java code and to make it more readable to the user. We can have single line comments or multi-line comments. Single line comments start with 2 forward slashes. These comments are not executed. Example, this is a single line comment. Multi-line comments start with the symbol and ends with this. The text between these symbols will be ignored by the Java compiler. Java typecasting. It is assigning value of one data type to another. We can either use it for widening casting or narrowing casting. Widening casting is automatic. It is used to convert smaller type to a larger type size, like from byte to short, short to character, character to integer, integer to long, to float to double. So int I is 5, double d equal to I. So now the value of d would be 5.0. 0.0 would be automatically appended. Next is narrowing casting. This is manually done. It is used to convert larger type to a smaller type size. That is the opposite of this. From double to float to long to integer to character to short to byte. So double D is 8.58D. So we are having two decimal places after the number 8. When we convert it as int I, we'll have to mention int, this is manually done, and then put the value d. So here the decimal points would be removed and the value would be 8. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video.
More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, upright from the next video similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button